How to remix snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the stories icon over here at the bottom of the screen. So tap on stories section and tap on any of the story that you want to remix. So tap on the story icon over here and here you'll be able to see the story of a friend. Now in order to remix this snap, all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines over here at the top and then you'll be able to get the option of remix snap. So tap on remix snap. So all you have to do is just tap on this and then tap on remix snap and then click on the picture and just remix this and then you can just send it to the person. And there you go. So that's how you remix the snap on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.